In this video, we will see what is list in Python. So this is the list. So what is list? List is a data structure in Python. But what is data structure? Is it same as a data type? No, data type and data structure and data type are not same. So the data structure is a special format of organized data. Like list is a list can store variety of data at same time, and dictionary is a list of or we can say collection of key value pair. And data type is type of data programming language support, like integer, float and string. But string also considered as data structure. It is also a data type and also a data structure, because string is sequence of characters, as we know already.